Hey everybody, welcome back to Run and Gun. I'm JT, and in this video, I'm going to show you guys a little hack I use to find my models. I get questions just about every week on how, as a portrait photographer, I find my models. So here's a little hack that I use using Instagram. I will hit that little magnifying glass, which brings up the search page, and in the search page, I will type wherever I live. So if I'm living in New York, I will type in NY models or maybe New York models, and then I will go over here to tags and then look through the models that have tagged themselves as NY models. And this example is great for New York, so now I have all of these possible people that I can contact to work with as models, and I can go through and also spell out New York models and wait for all the search results to come in for New York models. And if I were living, say, in New York City, I could also try New York City models and just make this search even more specific. Let's hit that top result there and see what pops up. So now I have about 1,000+ results for New York City models. So once I find someone that I think possibly has a similar style to mine, or I think might be good to work with, I can hit their photo, I can see who it is, and I can shoot them a direct message and then just wait for them to get back to me. I'll usually say something along the lines of, hey, I'm visiting the city, or I live in the area and I'm looking to collaborate with a local model, and see what they say back. So it's as simple as that. It's as simple as going on Instagram, and this even works too. Let's say I type in New York photographers, wait for them to pop up, and then go through and look at that. I actually pop up in a couple of these results. So I can hit a post, for example, and this is actually one of my photos. And in the tags, I can see that the photographer went ahead and tagged the model. So from here, I can go and I can find that model and send them a direct message, or I can find other photographers to collaborate with as well. So that's a quick little Instagram hack to finding models to work with. And if you're a model looking for a photographer, this is an easy little trick or hack to use to find a good photographer as well. So if you found this video useful, hit that like button, make sure you subscribe for more of my videos, and until next weekend, get out and go shoot.